Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a buffer account to manage your Instagram social to enable you to have more traction for your MetaPharmacy scene created on an 8XR. So I'm going to be using my Web3 Pharma Gmail account just for the purpose of the MetaPharmacy hackathon. Create a password. Okay, let me create a password. Yeah, as an example, I'm not a robot. Sign up. Okay, save. Why do you want to do it? Publishing. Which content? Instagram. Yeah, so now it's connected it. And before that, I need to log into my Instagram account. So that's my Chromp one. I think I need to log out. For me, switch account, social prescribing. Yeah. I'm going to activate my account. Confirm email. And then straight up it says connected. And then boom, I can start creating content. So normally I activated my email address. So I'm going to show you how to create content using Buffer, but also something else called Copy AI. Okay, so I think I already have an account, if my memory serves me right. Yeah. Okay, so let's create a new project. Let's call it MetaPharmacy. Yeah. Okay, enter. So now saved project on Copy AI. So in a nutshell, if I go to the main page so everyone knows what's going on, maybe account, a channel. So it's connected because I connected on my computer, right? So I want to go to publishing because I want to start publishing. That's linked here. So now let's start with creating a schedule a post. Yeah. Actually, let me revert back. Create a post here. And en fait, basically for post, you have to use a square image or landscape. You got a choice. To make it easier, let's create a square image, yeah? So let's say, once again, to play around with the concept of generator, using scenario, generate image, signature, sandbox. Let's try, for example, I like the portion. So let's call it health and well-being to see what comes up. Say generate image. So it's going to take a few moments. Okay. I quite like this one because it seems kind of, catchy to the eye. Save image. And then I'm going to create a caption. Okay, I can close that on Copy AI. Create. Okay, let's do that. Copy. Generate 10 Instagram caption for a metaverse pharmacy. Yeah. Enter. Yeah, so that I created 10 example of caption. So let's copy that one. Yeah. Go to buffer. Put the texting. drag a file. I think download, yeah, that one. But also hashtag is very important, right? So you can say, give me 10 hashtag for a metaverse pharmacy. Yeah. And what I'm going to do, I'm just copy the whole thing to my post. Yeah, and you want to make sure that's all lined up. So I've created an image, square image. That's how it's going to look like. And then I can schedule it. If I want, I can emoji here. Hashtag, that's a pro version. You don't have to worry about that. But I can put more than one file, but I just focus on one file. Then I can add the queue, or I can do share now. Yeah. So that's my page, I think. Okay. Profile. That's my page right now, yeah? So those three are pinned posts. And I'm going to go here, and then I'm going to show you. I can either share now, share next, or schedule post, but I want to share now. But when you do it for your hackathon, you can schedule the post using the calendar. But let me show you this for now, yeah? Share now. And if you want, you can add comment, you can put location, but yeah. Great, the post has been shared. And be like, really? And then boom, refresh the page. Et voila, as you can see, I did it from buffer. Then I can fix the hashtag if I wanted to. But let's say I want to go further, I want to create a story, right? So create post, create story, drag image. Let's use that. Yeah. I think you can edit the image, I think. I haven't tried that feature yet, but you can if you wanted to, right? So that's how it's going to look like in your story, yeah? And as you can see, I have no story. And now I'm going to do share now, or schedule the post, but let's do share now. Great, it's been shared, really? Let's check it out. Refresh the page. Boom! As you can see, it's been shared. So in a nutshell, the purpose of this video is to enable you to plan posts. You can do up to 10 posts for free on the free version. So you can do 1, 2, 3, 4. So time it for like, let's say, we recommend to do 3 to 4 posts a day. It can be stories, you can do a mix of both posts and so on. And you can do up to 7, and you do it 2-3 times a week. And that's how you start generating content, right? So let's say if you wanted to add a video. So video, let me think. I don't think I have any video right now, but let me check. Give me 1 sec. I'm just trying to work out the logistic because I'm recording the video right now. So, but you see how it works, right? So now I'm going to show you my other account, which is basically the account I use for my teacher. Just to show you. So I'm going to log out of this. Is my other account. So Easier Farm is basically I'm a part of a dance team, right? And no, I manage their page actually. So I'm going to do create posts, and then I'm going to do it as a story. As those are some videos I created from basically member of my dance team. So let's do this one. It's loading up. And you can see a preview, you can add sound. Yeah. So another thing I wanted to mention, the story needs to be like video. If you're having video, it needs to be no more than 1 minute. Otherwise, you won't be able to use it on buffer. And then I'm going to share it now. Because I normally do it 3 to 4 times a week, but yesterday I didn't get a chance because I was preparing on something else. I can't remember exactly, but anyway. So it's sharing right now. Sometimes you might get some problem when you share a video, but that's okay, not to worry. So it's still sharing. Yeah. By coming back to copy AI, you can create easily some caption, you can create hashtag, and you can even say like write a Instagram text for 200 word or so on. Just to show you some of the example I've done. I did one for health and well-being on social prescribing. That's some of the thing. And then another one was Chrome social prescribing because I'm a Chrome dancer. The prompt I used is create an Instagram post. Yeah. And then this is what I did in less than give or take 30 seconds. So let's do something similar. Just to kind of show you how straightforward it is to use copy AI. Tag on the metaverse benefit for pharmacy with hashtag, yeah? Boom. See, it did that in less than 10 seconds. So you don't have to do it from scratch. So that's how you create engaging content for your MetaPharmacy scene on Instagram and so on. So coming back to buffer, you posted it so we can check it. So the account is search, easier theme. Yeah. As you can see, it's here. Okay, that's some text I've done this morning with thread, but yeah. So you can do the same thing, but then you kind of pre-planning it. Another thing I want to mention is when you add video, you can do it as a post. You can do it as landscape. So I have some videos just to give you some idea. Yeah, publish video. So I won't publish it because I've done it already, but just to show you. So this one is landscape, right? So that's how it's going to look like. So as you can see, it comes as a landscape, and then you can put a caption or whatever, yeah. And then if you want, you can do it as a reel. So in a nutshell, as a reel needs to be portrait. So that's published from before. The same video, you can click that. Yeah. So basically this will be a reel, and basically the reel is different to story and post in a sense that it will be here, right? So yeah, and you might say to me, oh, Aaron, how did you take your video that was landscape into that, right? Well, there's something called Wondershare. I'll show you right now. I think it's a free application. So let's say, for example, you created a video on explaining the benefit of medication or medicine optimization for diabetes or asthma. So let's say I take some of the video that you created as landscape. Let's go publish. Let's pick that one. So you can see it as a portrait, right? It's landscape. But for Instagram story, it has to be 916. So pick 916. And then you want to make sure that the, what do you call it? The frame is in here, right? So you can adjust frame that manner, right? If you're happy with the result, you can move the video around. You click OK. So basically, you went from landscape to focusing the video into story, and you export it. And then you can take the video that exported into stories or reels. So you can potentially do post, reel, and stories. Yeah.